I need to extract only letters from my text. In reality, I need also spaces and enters, so new lines. And it's quite easy task to extract only letters from text with Power Query. So I have to select one cell in my table, then go to Data tab, and from table range to import data to Power Query. And I have just 4 simple texts, one in English and 3 in Polish, because I'm from Poland and we have unusual letters for English alphabets, and it's a bit harder to work with those letters. Okay, make a bit zoom, and it's quite easy because we have to just add one column, custom column, when we will use one function. So let's call this column clean, and the function I need is text dot select. Okay, everything went fine. Now I want to text, so column text, and I want only letters. So, and because it will be strings of characters, I have to use curly brackets, and then my first sequence, it will be uppercase letters, so from A, 2 dots, to Z. And I need also lowercase letters, so from A to Z. So letters in double quotes and 2 dots to make a sequence, and comma to separate sequences, and closing curly brackets and closing parentheses, and it should be fine, and press OK. And now I extract only letters, so in most cases it's gibberish. So I have to add spaces, and I have a formula bar. So on View tab I have selected formula bar, and I want to add spaces, so comma, and in double quotes just space, and we have also extract spaces. But if you need other signs, you can write them on double quotes, so for example a dot. And I also have Power Query also extract, okay, let's make it bigger, dots for me, but in my case I don't really need dots, I need enters, so new lines. And to write here new line for Power Query, we have to write dash, and then in parentheses LF, and closing parentheses, and enter. And I now extract uppercase letters, lowercase letters, space, and enters. But I didn't extract Polish letters. So in row 4 there are strictly Polish letters, and we have some of them in second and third row. So how can I extract unusual signs from text using text select function? First of all, we have to check Unicode signs, and the sequence from A to Z, it's sequence between 65, the sign number 65, to 90, and from lowercase letters it's similar. So we have a sequence from one letter to another, and for Polish letters I can write something like this. So upper O z kreską, so in English it should be O with a dash, and I want to go to lowercase letter Z, so Z with dot over it, and for Polish letters it's enough, so I can go to the end, and it should extract also Polish letters. Between those signs there are more letters, more signs, but it doesn't matter for me because those signs shouldn't appear in Polish text. So now when I extract all signs I need, I can go to Home tab and close and load our result to Excel, so we can see more text near each other. So in table, existing workbook, and here. Okay, so and I should wrap up my text. So Home tab and wrap text. So now I can see those have uppercase letters, lowercase letters, spaces, and enters, and other signs I didn't need, I remove them.